Today we explain numerical of depression of freezing point. Numerical 4 we write normal freezing point of a solvent is 5 degrees Celsius. A 0.5 molar solution of urea in the above solvent causes a freezing point depression of 2 degrees Celsius. Calculate the molar depression constant. It is a question asked. Normal freezing point a solvent is 15 degrees Celsius. A 0.5 molar solution of urea in the above solvent causes a freezing point depression of 2 degrees Celsius. Calculate the molar depression constant. In the question, it is a value of Cm which indicate molality of the solution. Therefore, we write Cm is equal to 0.5 m. Now we see molar solution of urea in the above solvent causes a freezing point depression of 2 degrees Celsius. It is the value of delta Tf is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. It is direct converted into Kelvin and we write 2 Kelvin. Question asked, calculate the molar depression constant. Kf is equal to what? It is the value of Cm. Cm is called molar concentration of the solution. This value indicates delta Tf. It is a value of depression of freezing point in degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius we direct converted into Kelvin. Therefore we write 2 Kelvin. Question ask calculate the molar depression constant. The symbol of molar depression constant Kf is equal to what? Now we select a formula in which these parts are present. So we write a formula. Formula is delta Tf is equal to Kf into Cm. Now we write Kf is equal to, this part move here, and we write delta Tf upon Cm. We put the value of delta Tf and Cm. Here we write 2 Kelvin upon, here we write 0.5. We remove a decimal point and we write upper 110 by 5. It is cut out by 2. Therefore, the value of Kf we calculate 2 and 2. We get 4 Kelvin kg mole inverse. It is a answer. Now we write next numerical. Question 5 is calculate the temperature at which a solution containing 54 grams of glucose. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6 in 250 grams of water will freeze. Kf for water is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now we write numerical. Calculate the temperature at which a solution containing 54 grams of glucose in 250 grams of water will freeze. Kf for water is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg मोल इनवर्स. इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि उस विलयन का टेम्परेचर ज्ञात कीजिए जो 54 ग्राम ग्लूकोज को 250 ग्राम जल में घोलने पर जमता है. अब देखिए क्या कहने जा रहा है यहाँ पर. In the question, it is a mass of glucose. In the question, glucose is a solute The mass of solute indicated by a small w. Here we write a small w is equal to 54 gram. In the question, 250 gram of water. Water is a solvent. It is present in the solution 250 gram. The symbol of capital W, which indicate mass of the solvent. The value of capital W is equal to 250 gram. It is a value of Kf 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. First of all, we calculate delta Tf is equal to what? And now again calculate del TFS is equal to what? Freezing point of water is denoted by delta Tf naught is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Molecular mass of glucose, here we write C6H12O6 is equal to 180 gram मोल इनवर्स. इसका मोलिकुलर मास जो है इतना आता है कैलकुलेट करने पर. वी राइट हेयर फार्मूला एंड कैलकुलेट डेल्टा TF. Delta TF is equal to Kf into a small w into 1000 upon a small n into capital W. The value of Kf in the question is 1.86 and the value of a small w is equal to 54 gram, and here we write again 1000. The value of a small m is equal to 180 gram and the value of capital W is equal to 250 gram. We remove decimal point. In upper two digit rights present, this decimal point remove and 20 right lower and 20 cut out. The digit we write 186.44 into 10 upon 180 into 250. It is a cutout. This is cut out 18 and 3 and it is cut out 18 and 10. We cut out we multiply 93 and 3 and we multiply 25 and 5. .232 Kelvin. We converted degree 232 degree Celsius. Now we write a formula. Delta TF is equal to TF naught minus TFS. This part move here and converted into positive sign. TFS is equal to TF naught minus delta TF. The value of TF naught is equal to 0 degree Celsius minus we write the value of delta TF is equal to 2.232 degree Celsius, and answer will be minus 2.232 degree Celsius. It is answer.